Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is beef fried rice. Traditionally, fried rice is a way to take care of leftover rice. Over time, it has evolved into a popular item on the menu in every Chinese restaurant here in the US. Fried rice is delicious and easy to make. Previously, I've done chicken fried rice, turkey fried rice, shrimp fried rice, bacon fried rice, and vegetable fried rice. Today, we're going to add one more to our fried rice list. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish. Here's the list of ingredients. Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 8 ounces round steak, cut into strips, roughly about 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 2 inches. Marinated with 1 teaspoon Chinese cooking wine and 1/2 teaspoon salt. And tenderized with 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg white, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix well. Previously, I did a show on how to tenderize cheap cut beef. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 2 cups cooked brown rice left in the fridge overnight. 4 eggs. Actually, here we have 4 egg yolk and 3 egg white because we use 1 egg white for tenderizing the beef. We are going to marinate the eggs with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, mix well. 4 ounces onion diced, 4 ounces frozen green peas defrosted, 8 ounces bean sprout, 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 2 tablespoons garlic infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY garlic infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of salt for the entire dish. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or medium to high heat for a gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute, the oil is hot. We're going to cook the eggs for 1 minute until the eggs are tenderly done. Then we're going to remove the eggs. It's been a minute. The eggs are tenderly done. I'm just breaking them into smaller pieces. Now we're going to remove them. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons garlic infused oil. Let it heat for 1 minute until it's hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The onion is slightly soft. Now we're going to cook the beef for 2 minutes until the color of meat is no longer pink. It's been 2 minutes. The color of meat is no longer pink. Now we're going to add green peas, cooked eggs, rice, soy sauce, salt, to cook for 3 minutes until everything is mixed well. It's been 3 minutes. Everything has been mixed well. Now we're going to add bean sprouts to cook for 1 minute until the bean sprout is slightly wilted. It's been a minute. The bean sprout has been slightly wilted. It is done. Let's have a quick review of what we done. I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.